Welcome to our guide on how to start a group video call on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's dive right in and get you connected with your friends or team in just a few simple steps. First, open the Discord app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the Discord website or your preferred app store. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you can see your friends and servers. Next, find the group you want to call. This could be a server you're part of or a direct message group with friends. Just navigate to the left sidebar and click on the server or the group chat. Make sure everyone you want to call is in the group so you can enjoy a seamless video chat experience. Now, here comes the exciting part. Look towards the top of the page and you'll see a row of icons. Find the video icon. This usually looks like a little camera. Click on it and you'll automatically initiate a video call with your group. When you press that button, Discord will connect everyone in the group, and you'll be able to see and hear each other in real time. It's that simple. So there you have it. Starting a group video call on Discord is quick and easy. Enjoy catching up with friends or collaborating with your team in a fun and interactive way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Discord and other applications. Happy calling!